Stop scrolling. Want to speak English like a pro? In this video, I'm giving you 100 daily use English sentences. Repeat it twice so you can learn and speak confidently fast. Watch till the end and start speaking English today. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink water. I drink water. I make my bed. I make my bed. I get ready for the day. I get ready for the day. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. I go to work. I go to work. I read a book. I read a book. I write a sentence. I write a sentence. I learn English. I learn English. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. I speak slowly. I practice every day. I practice every day. I open the door. I open the door. I close the window. I close the window. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I turn off the fan. I turn off the fan. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I stand up. I stand up. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I run fast. I run fast. I look around. I look around. I smile happily. I smile happily. I help my friend. I help my friend. I ask a question. I ask a question. I answer politely. I answer politely. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I cook food. I cook food. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I clean my room. I clean my room. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. I watch a video. I watch a video. I learn new words. I learn new words. I write notes. I write notes. I check my phone. I check my phone. I send a message. I send a message. I make a call. I make a call. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. I listen to music. I listen to music. I watch TV. I watch TV. I take a break. I take a break. I drink juice. I drink juice. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel tired. I take rest. I take rest. I go outside. I go outside. I meet my friend. I meet my friend. I greet politely. I greet politely. I share ideas. I share ideas. I ask for help. I ask for help. I give advice. I give advice. I learn something new. I learn something new. I stay positive. I stay positive. I keep learning. I keep learning. I read again. I read again. I write again. I write again. I practice speaking. I practice speaking. I improve daily. I improve daily. I stay focused. I stay focused. I stay calm. I stay calm. I think clearly. I think clearly. I plan my day. I plan my day. I finish my work. I finish my work. I feel proud. I feel proud. I thank my teacher. I thank my teacher. I respect everyone. I respect everyone. I learn from mistakes. I learn from mistakes. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I try again. I try again. I never give up. I never give up. I keep practicing. I keep practicing. I read at night. I read at night. I finish my homework. I finish my homework. I talk with my family. I talk with my family. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I drink milk. I drink milk. I relax for a while. I relax for a while. I watch the sky. I watch the sky. I say thank you. I say thank you. I say sorry. I say sorry. I stay kind. I stay kind. I stay honest. I stay honest. I feel grateful. I feel grateful. I close my laptop. I close my laptop. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I go to bed. I go to bed. I sleep peacefully. I sleep peacefully. I wake up happy. I wake up happy. I start a new day. I start a new day. I keep learning English. I keep learning English. I improve every day. I improve every day.